Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just came home from school. And happy Valentine's Day. Comment down below who is your Valentine's, or yeah. Subscribe what I've been making slime. Personally. Right on my Rolly, I'm a future leader. And I'm getting my nose pierced today. My friend's mom's gonna do it. Iceberg. Okay, sorry about you guys can't see me. We're just doing Instagram photos. Come close to me. Okay. Let me go grab my slime stuff. I'm putting this inside of a container just so it smells like just 3 pumps I put it in because it's some shaving gel. No. There's my water. I can mix up my shaving cream and my soap. And it's going to become really fluffy. And it looks like this. Glue. Oh my god. Yes. I don't have anything right now. I put in a lot of glue. Usually you mix pencil, and there's the glue. It's already in here. See? So then mix it. And like how I said it was thin, now it becomes really thick. And you just want to. It becomes really thick now. So you just want to mix it in. And like this. Borax mixture. But if you like, you can just add plain water in the shaving cream. you're just gonna shake it up. Let that dissolve. Mix up your bowl. Then you want to add your borax mixture inside, and then it should already be clumping up like slime. Clear glue is better than using white glue because I seem like white glue kind of sucks. Well, if this turns out good, then this is like the first time one of my slimes turn out good. Wow. It's turning out really good right now. Look at it, look at it, look at it. This is something that's really good. It's not even a fail, it stretches. I missed a call. Okay. I'll show you guys like the pokey noises. Like this is like literally my first slime that turned out so good. Just have to keep on kneading. Stretches, and I didn't even put lotion or nothing. You guys hear that? Like, this is like my first slime that I made like alone that turned out good. Like, I made slime yesterday in the bathroom when I was showering. It turned out as of like completely fail. Like, I'm like fail. You can do swirls. It's really sticky. I think I put borax in here. And some slime giveaways. This like definitely needs borax. It's sticky to me. Well, would I get it all off my hands? Like, I'm gonna let you guys see it and how good it is. Because usually when you guys like make slime, right? Fluffy slime, you have to add lotion. I didn't need to add lotion in this. I didn't actually need to add lotion, and you guys saw. But it is a little sticky. This is like the best slime ever that I ever made.
and some fluffy slimes you need to add lotion to it. But for some reason, mine didn't like need lotion. It just like, it was already like stretchy. And yeah, see, it's like already stretchy. And I'll show you guys it after when I go and clean up the bowl and my hands. So this is like one of my best slime. It's like how I said I ever made. Usually it's not that stretchy, but I'll keep the glue in the container so it helps it. So then I'll just like, and I really hate the scent on this. Like, I hate how it's sticky. So I'm adding a lot of wax. And it's still stretchy. Wax kind of fails the texture. But as long as wax has it. Where did that go? And now I know that, like, it's really easy to clean this, but I'm gonna put like some scent, then so it smells good. Then I'll just knead that in. Like, you guys have to listen to this Pokey Sounds. It doesn't even stick to me anymore. It stretches really good. I think it's gonna be fluffy butter slime because it stretches really good. It turned out. It's so stretchy. Doesn't have like crack-a-lackas. But it's really stretchy. And this slime, I'm gonna be giving this away for the first person who comments. I love that comments I love. So it's so stretchy. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up.